Hi, it's Dennis again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the pump impeller into your salad table pump. This is the JR 1300. So I've got a fairly old pump here. She's a little bit grubby. You might need a couple of tools. Now I've got a small screwdriver, just a flat bladed screwdriver, and a pair of pointy nose pliers. I might need them, I might not. So first of all, we're just going to take this cover off here. That came off easier than I thought. If that cover doesn't come off easy, you just want to get a little screwdriver and just pop it into the side there and just try and prise that open. And you'll see that cover comes off, and just pop him to the side. Next, you've got this little plug in here, and it's going to turn anti-clockwise. And if you can't turn it with your fingers, it is fairly tight, this one. And then I'm going to try and pull that out. Now, some of them, if they're not so old like this one, you should be able to pull them out. There's two ways to do this. Hang on, I'll start again. So if you can't turn it, just grab your little pointy nose pliers, give them a bit of a twist, and if you twist it all the way, it'll pop right out. If you don't have pointy nose pliers, I'll just pop that back in again. Then another way you can do it is you can get a screwdriver in there, twist it. Once it comes around far enough, you may be able to get the screwdriver in there and just give it a little lever up. But just be careful, because inside there's a little rubber seal just around the outside here. You just don't want to destroy that. Alright, so once we've got that off, you can then see there's the impeller. So all you want to do is just pull that out, pop it out. If you can't get that out with your fingers, just grab those pointy nose pliers again. So far I really haven't needed the pointy nose pliers at all. So I'm just going to pull that out with my fingers, and you'll see that it's on a little rod here. Now sometimes this little rubber grommet, just lost one. So we've got a rubber grommet on this end and a rubber grommet on that end. We want to make sure that both of those come out. So if this little rubber grommet gets left inside the hole in there, you just want to grab your little screwdriver and just poke it until you find it. Just give it a little twist and pull, very, very gently twist and pull at the same time, and that should get that out, no problem at all. So just ensure that when you do pull the old impeller out, you've got both rubber end caps or grommets like that. All right, now while this is all apart, give it a nice clean as well. Just make sure there's nothing, no really gunky bits in there. You do get salt buildup, of course, because of the nutrients. We just want to try and clean it as best as we can. All right, let's say I've cleaned that. Now, it's as simple as grabbing your new impeller and popping it in the hole. Now, just make sure that that rubber is popped in and it's seated. We'll then get the end piece here. We want to make sure that the hole in here lines up with this rubber grommet as well. So we're just going to push that on, wiggle it over the top, find where the little feet go in here. There's 3 of them, and we want to twist and turn that till it's nice and tight. You may need these just to give it a nice tight. I've done that with my fingers once again. There you have it. We'll put our end cap back on again, and we're done. Impeller replaced, just as easy as that. All right, if you've got any questions, jump on our website, thesaladtable.com.au, or send us an email to support@thesaladtable.com.au. Cheers, happy growing.